Here I have TECNO Pop 8, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So firstly, you should turn your device off by holding down power key. And after it turns off completely, what you'll have to do is to hold down a combination of keys, power key plus volume up, at the same time like this. When the screen turns on and you can see TECNO logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. In the following menu, when you see this no command message, you should hold down power key and press volume up once. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select the third option, enter Fastboot. And that's how you can do it. So here, just like in the previous menu, you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as reboot system now, enter recovery, reboot to bootloader, and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the first option, reboot system now, and device will be restarted just as usual.